Hi students, next our chapter structural organization in animals. Structural organization, 7th chapter ആണ്. This is structural organization in animals. And that is mainly in this chapter we have to discuss about how the body of animals composed or how the structurally organized. We studied that animals are two types, unicellular animals and multicellular animals. Okay, now two type of animals, unicellular and multicellular. Okay, multicellular animals. What is meant unicellular? Unicellular means their body is composed of only a single type of cells, and in their all the process like digestion, respiration, reproduction, all the process are performed in the unicellular organism by the same single cell. For example, hydra ഒരു സിംഗിൾ സെൽ ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ, യൂണിസെല്ലുലർ ആനിമൽസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഹൈഡ്രയിൽ ദ പ്രോസസ് ലൈക്ക് ഡൈജഷൻ, റെസ്പിറേഷൻ, reproduction, all this process, എല്ലാ പ്രോസസ്സും നടക്കുന്നത് that process performed by this unicell or a single cell. But in the case of multicellular animals, their body composed of billions of cells, many cells, and same process like the digestion, respiration, reproduction, all these processes are performed by this group of cells or multicellulars in a well organized manner. Okay, in the case of multicellular animals. So, for one of the best examples of multicellular animals in our case, human beings. Right? In the human beings, the process like digestion, respiration, reproduction, all these processes are performed by a group of cells, which is group of cells, and along with the intracellular substances, group of cells. It is like a cells. This is a group of cells, and along with the intracellular substances there. Intracellular substance, here some substances is between the cells, some substances. So along with the intracellular substances, a group of cells, they are together perform that function. That group of cell is known as tissue. That group of cell is known as tissue. So what's a tissue? Tissues are group of similar cells along with the intracellular substances, and they perform a specific function. And there are mainly 4 types of tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, neural tissue. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and neural tissue. That's the mainly 4 types of tissues. Okay, and first we have to discuss about epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. What is a epithelial tissue? Can you heard about the term epithelium? And this epithelial tissue has free surface. It has one feature is it has a free surface. It has free surface, and it face on the face of the free surfaces. The free surface has to face of the body fluid or outside the environment. Body fluid not ആയിരിക്കും face ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. Body fluid or outside the environment. So, epithelial tissue has a free surface ആയിരിക്കും. Free surface, for example, like this, we have to draw the structure of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue like this. How many cells is there? Many cells. Okay, and the free surface, it has a one free surface is there. The cells has free surfaces. That free surfaces face over the body fluid. Body fluid in a face or outside the environment. So where we can see this type of epithelial tissue, where we can see That is maybe cover the body. Covers the body. Body coverage ചെയ്തിരിക്കും. So that free surfaces face outside the environment. Okay. Or it line the cavities. It line the body cavities. Lines the body cavity. Body cavity line ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും it face the face of the free surface of the epithelial tissue face over the body fluid. Okay. So epithelial tissue it face either a body fluid or the outside the environment. Clear? That means it where we can this function is it to provide a covering or lining the body cavity, covering or lining the body cavity. And what's the other special? They are compactly arranged with intracellular substances. Arrangement is compactly arranged. Compactly arranged. Tightly, compactly arranged with between the cells. Intracellular substances are present. So first point is epithelial tissue. It has a free surfaces and it these surfaces face this if the free surface of the epithelial tissue face of the body fluid or outside the environment. That means they have this epithelial tissue cover the body or lines the body cavity. That's the location of the epithelial tissue. ഏതെങ്കിലും particular part of the body parts cover ചെയ്തിരിക്കും or it lines the body cavity line ചെയ്തിരിക്കും. Okay. And the arrangement of the epithelial cells, this is a tissue and the arrangement of cells, they are compactly arranged with intracellular substances, compactly arranged with the intracellular substances or matrix. Okay. And based on the number of layers, this epithelial tissue are two types. Based on the number of layers, epithelial tissue are two types of epithelial tissue. First one is simple epithelium, compound epithelium, simple epithelium and compound epithelium. And so based on the number of layers divided into simple epithelium and compound epithelium. First one is simple epithelium. What is a simple? Based on the number of layers a simple epithelium is a single layer of cells. Simple epithelium. Simple epithelium consists of single layer of cells. And the main function of simple epithelium is they are lining the body cavity. Lines the body cavity line ചെയ്ത് or ducts in a line ചെയ്ത് lines the body cavity or duct and tubules proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubules, അതായത് നെഫ്രോൺസിന്റെ സ്ട്രക്ചർ വരുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പം അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ട്യൂബ്യൂൾസിനൊക്കെ ലൈൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും ദി സിംഗിൾ ലെയർ ഓഫ് എപ്പിത്തീലിയൽ ടിഷ്യൂ. സോ സിമ്പിൾ എപ്പിത്തീലിയം ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് കൺസിസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് സിംഗിൾ ലെയർ ഓഫ് cells ആയിരിക്കും. And it lines where we can see this simple epithelium. It lines the body cavities, ducts, tubules. Epithelial tissue നമ്മൾ എവിടെയാണ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞതാണ് അല്ലേ. എപ്പിത്തീലിയൽ ടിഷ്യൂ പ്രൊവൈഡ് ദ ബോഡി cavities ആദ്യം തന്നെ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. It provide covering or lining of the some part of the body. അതേപോലെ സിമ്പിൾ എപ്പിത്തീലിയം കാണപ്പെടുന്ന lines the body cavity or ducts or tubules, ductsil or ട്യൂബ്യൂൾസിലൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും ഈ സിമ്പിൾ എപ്പിത്തീലിയത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നത്. ഇനി ഇതിൻ്റെ മോഡിഫിക്കേഷൻ സിമ്പിൾ എപ്പിത്തീലിയം അവരുടെ സ്ട്രക്ചറൽ മോഡിഫിക്കേഷൻ അനുസരിച്ച് സിമ്പിൾ എപ്പിത്തീലിയത്തെ വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു. സ്ക്വാമസ് എപ്പിത്തീലിയം, then cuboidal epithelium, columnar